Home Instead Services Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get home care services wrong. They assume quality varies wildly. The surprising truth about Home Instead is that it focuses on personalized, professional care for seniors, and you won't believe the level of training and consistency they offer. Here's how it works. Home Instead provides in-home care for seniors, including companionship, personal care, medication reminders, and specialized dementia or Alzheimer's support. Caregivers are screened, trained, and matched to clients' needs. Families can coordinate care schedules through a dedicated app. For example, a family needing daily support for a senior loved one can set up routines for meals, medication, and companionship, knowing caregivers are vetted and trained. Most people get this wrong. They think home care is inconsistent, but Home Instead emphasizes continuity and caregiver-client compatibility. Additional features include care plans, caregiver training programs, and support for family members. Users praise its reliability, empathy, and professionalism. However, there are considerations. Costs vary by location and level of care, and it's important to plan services in advance. Most people assume caregivers are casual helpers. Home Instead emphasizes professional, trained staff. In conclusion, Home Instead is ideal for families seeking trustworthy, personalized, and professional in-home care for seniors with consistent support and expert-trained caregivers. Subscribe for more honest reviews of senior care services.